Okay, let's rewrite this word problem, into an equation. So we have here 1% of 5 is what? So 1% right here, we can write that as 1 over 100. Then all means multiply. 2, 5 is means equals. So what? That is what we are looking for. So take note that in every whole number, like here, like this one, 5, so there is understood a denominator of 1. So we simply multiply 1 and 5 and 100 with 1. So that would be 1 times 5 is 5. Then 100 times 1 is just 100. So for easy calculation, so 5 and 100, 5 over 100. So since we have a denominator of 5, so we're just going to write 5. Then how many zeros that we have in the denominator? That is 2. So 1, 2. So the answer is 0.05.